Yo, what's going on guys, Swift here, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to record your screen or just games in general on your PC using Shadowplay. So the first thing you want to do guys is, if you have an Nvidia graphics card, you should already have this automatically, which is called GeForce Experience. So basically you're just going to go in here, search up GeForce Experience and open it. I've got it open already, so obviously I don't have to do that. Now once you're on here, it's very easy. You probably start on home. You just click on in-game overlay. As you can see, I'm recording already, and you just go over to the settings button here. Now once we're on here, the most important thing is to go down to video capture, and obviously I can't edit the stuff here since I'm recording, but pretty much you want to choose quality as custom. And this is if you want the best quality. You can obviously change it depending on how much it slows down your computer, but yeah, Shadowplay is pretty good. It doesn't usually slow down your computer much at all. So what I have it at is on custom, I have it set to 1440p resolution and 60 FPS. And obviously if you want, you can change the resolution, so you just click on this, you can go down, change it, probably 1080p, keep it 60 FPS if you are recording games, because that's what you want. And the bit rate, just put that up to full. It makes it basically the best quality that you can. Alright, so after that, go back. And next thing you want to do, you can ignore connect, go to HUD Layout. This obviously doesn't matter either, but pretty much you can just choose here where you want it to show your recording if you want. As you can see, look down in the bottom right, it shows that I'm recording here. So if you want that on, just choose one of these and change the position that it goes in. So it goes up here, goes up there, wherever you want it. Or you can just turn it off. Next, you can put an FPS counter on if you want, and you can choose where that is as well. So this can show how much FPS you're getting in games. Other things you don't really need to worry about, viewers, comments, don't worry about that stuff. Next, keyboard shortcuts. Now you don't really need to worry too much about any of these except for record. Yeah, so on record, basically just this one here, toggle manual recording on, off, /save. So pretty much either F8, so it's whenever you press the button, you start recording, and once you're done recording, press that button again, and you'll stop, and it will automatically save that recording for you. And also another thing you can do is go on recordings, and you can choose where it saves your recordings to. So obviously I can't change this now, but I can show you where it goes to automatically. So if we just go off here, press done, exit out of it. Basically, if you just go on your files, go down to your local disk, whichever one it's saved to, and find recordings. So for me it's on local disk C. I double click recordings, desktop, and here are all the recordings. This is the one that I'm recording right now. So yeah guys, that's simple to record using Nvidia Shadowplay. So it's really good. It's free if you've got an Nvidia graphics card or basically any Nvidia thing. I haven't tried it without. You still might be able to download it, but yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. So anyway guys, I hope you did enjoy, and I really hope this helped some of you guys. If it did help you, please leave a like and also a comment, and I'd really appreciate that guys. Also subscribe if you're new, as that will really help out my channel and help it grow. Anyway guys, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.